Shake it groove thing, shake it groove. Who you calling?
I can't take this lemonade.
Who you calling? Are you calling Ghostbusters? Xavier, you calling Clifford? What does Clifford say? Wow wow? Wow wow? No? Where's your Bink Bink? Where the Bink Bink? There the Bink Bink. Where's your Xavier, where's your mouth? Mouth, there it is. Where's your eyes? No, those are your ears. These are your eyes. 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 No, that's the Bink Bink. Where's your ears? There you go. Ears. Ears. Bink Bink. Pick the Bink Bink. Pick the Mocos. Who you calling? Oh, you're blowing the nose?
Yeah, show with my iPod and
No idea. Oh, blow.
Yeah, so that would be
Blow your nose.
and Boston.
I don't
on
know.
the 7th.
Xavier. Where the Bink Bink?
Where's your Bing Bing?
Right there? Are you picking the Bink Bink?
No.
Oh, there's your tickle button. There's your tickle button. Yeah. Where's my tickle button? Where's the tickle button?
Hi to her, and she walked away to
Where's the tickle button?
Starbucks, and Eddie was paying for
There's the tickle button. You got it. Oh, tickle button. Ah. Yeah, there you go.
I flattened
You done? Say bye-bye.
the clothes.
Say bye-bye.
I flattened the clothes.
Bye-bye.
Gabby, if your butt went
Bye-bye.
that far into
And
that,
when you didn't go that far.
Bye-bye.
damn.
Say bye-bye. Dear going bye-bye.
What are you trying to tell me? I got a big butt?
Look at the fat ass humpalumps. Ooh, what am I chipping
I'm
up?
not a humble lump. Your mom's a... Hey, you're recording.
Duh, I've been recording.